Pry open and remove the side panels. Use a T25 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on either side of the main unit. Use a pry bar to pry out the main unit. Shift the gear lever all the way to the rear, then carefully remove the main unit. Unplug all cables from the main unit, then remove the 2 screws from the CD player. Remove the 3 screws from the bottom of the CD player. Disconnect the CD player from the head unit. Disconnect the ribbon cable connecting the CD player to the head unit. Unplug the 2 ribbon cables from the motherboard. Remove the 3 screws from the motherboard. Secure our copper pins to the motherboard. Plug our ribbon cable into the motherboard. Please ensure the blue end of the cable is not inserted the wrong way round. The original cable is plugged in below the module, whilst our cable is plugged in above the module. Please ensure the blue end of the cable is not inserted the wrong way round. The cables connected to our module pass through the holes beneath the main unit. Connect the vehicle's original power cable to our power cable, disconnect the fiber optic cable from the vehicle's original power plug, and plug it into our power cable. The microphone extends out from the rear and can be secured to the side of the steering wheel.